Hey Don, this is Mike Brady. So I wanted to shoot you this video to show you some of the things that will help you improve your website's rankings on Google and bring you more business. Now I'm at your website right now, and I want to copy the URL and put it into a tool I use to check your main heading tags. I use RankDaddy for that, and got you pulled up here already. And your main heading tags are what Google looks at to determine what your site's about and what to rank it for. Right now, and that's made up of your title tag, your metadata tag, and your H1 and H2 tags. Now your title tag is good. You got Bakersfield in there, that's perfect. Your metadata tag is the optimal length. Unfortunately, you are missing your H1 header tag, and that's why you're not on page 1 in the Google ranking. Header tags are very important because though Google uses the keywords that should be in there, what to rank it for. Let's go and look at your current ranking, your website's ranking on Google right now. So I use SERPTrack for this. You can get a free 30-day subscription to this, Dawn, and they'll give you the rankings every day. Now I use these keywords: Bakersfield tree service, Bakersfield tree trimming, and Bakersfield tree removal. Unfortunately, you are on page 3 for all those keywords, for those searches. Now, I don't know about you, but when I go to Google, I usually look at page 1 and I take the first 3 or 4 companies and I get bids for them. Now, we can fix this for you. It's what we do. That's why I'm reaching out today, and we can get you definitely more business by getting you to page 1 of Google search. So if you have any questions, Dawn, please respond to this email. Thank you so much.